The morning was bright. The air felt fresh. The sound of birds filled the street. Olivia stood at the station. It was her first time on a train. Her heart was beating fast. She looked at her ticket again and again. Her friend Mason smiled. "Relax, Olivia," he said. "It's just a train, not a rocket." Olivia laughed a little, but inside she was nervous. She whispered, "But Mason, I have never done this before." Mason pointed to the tracks. "Look," he said, "the train is like life. It takes you forward. You just have to step inside." The whistle blew. The train was coming. Olivia's hands shook. She held her small bag close. The train looked so big. The sound was loud. People around her were rushing. Some carried suitcases. Some held children. Some walked fast, like they had no time. Olivia took a deep breath. She thought, "I can do this." She remembered her mother's words. "Don't fear new things. New things teach you new lessons." The doors open. "Come on, Olivia. The train won't wait, and train won't wait." Olivia stepped forward slowly. Her foot touched the floor of the train. She felt something new. Her fear started to turn into excitement. She found a seat by the window. Mason sat next to her. The train started moving. Olivia looked outside. Trees ran backward. Houses passed quickly. The world looked different from the window. "My husband Chenthurprat, Kaz Prani Pindu, but this anything to she finge shall." Her heart felt light. She whispered, "Wow." Mason laughed. "I told you trains are magic." Olivia smiled. She thought about her life. Many times she was afraid to try. She said no to chances. She stayed in her safe zone. But now, sitting in the train, she felt different. She felt strong. An old man sitting across looked at her. He smiled kindly. "First train?" he asked. Olivia nodded. "Yes, sir, my first train." The man laughed softly. "Don't worry. I was scared too when I was young. But every train teaches you something." Olivia leaned forward. "What do you mean?" The man looked outside the window. "Trains show you speed. They show you movement. Life is the same. You can't stand still forever. You must move forward." Olivia listened carefully. His words touched her heart. She thought, maybe this train is not just a ride. Maybe it is a lesson. The man continued, "You see, child, every stop is like a moment in life. Some people get off, some people get in, but you must keep moving forward." Olivia nodded slowly. She felt the truth in his words. She whispered to herself, "Keep moving forward. Mirzed." The train stopped at a small station. More people came in. My husband, too, girl with curly hair, sat near Olivia. She was holding a teddy bear. She looked shy. Olivia smiled at her. "Hello," she said. The girl smiled back. Her teddy had a red ribbon. Olivia thought, even small things can bring joy. She remembered how scared she was before. Now she was smiling at strangers. She was learning courage. The train started again. Fields stretched outside. Cows were eating grass. Farmers were working. The sky was blue. Olivia felt calm. She turned to Mason. "Do you think this train ride will change me?" Mason nodded. "Of course, every first time changes you. The first step, the first try, the first ride. It makes you stronger." Olivia smiled. She felt like this was not just a trip. It was a start of something new. It was a start of something new. The train was moving smoothly. Olivia leaned on the window. Wind touched her face. Her hair moved softly. She smiled. "Mayul." So Mason opened a packet of chips. He offered her some. Olivia laughed. "Food on a train feels different." Mason nodded. "Yes, even simple food tastes better when you're happy." Olivia ate slowly. She looked outside again. Fields turned into small town. She saw children playing near the tracks. Some waved at the train. Olivia waved back. Her heart felt warm. "Look," she told Mason. "These children don't even know me, but they still wave." Mason smiled. "That's the beauty of people. You as strangers can give you joy." "So, I viewed man across the seat nodded. He added softly, "Never forget. Kindness is free. It makes your journey bright." Olivia's eyes lit up. "Min," she whispered. "Kindness is free. Yes, I will remember this." The train slowed down. It stopped at another station. Many people entered. Some carried heavy bags. Some looked tired. Some looked excited. A woman with 2 little boys sat near Olivia. The boys were noisy. They laughed loudly. They dropped a toy on the floor. One boy cried. The woman looked tired. She tried to calm them. Olivia picked up the toy and gave it back. She smiled at the boy. The boy stopped crying. He hugged the toy. The woman looked at Olivia. "Thank you," she said softly. Olivia replied, "No problem. Kids are sweet." The woman sighed. "Yes, but they can be hard too." Olivia nodded. She remembered her own childhood. She remembered how her mother cared for her. Inside her heart, Olivia thought, mothers are like trains too. They carry us no matter how heavy we are. Mason noticed her silence again. "What now?" he asked with a grin. Olivia smiled. "I'm just thinking life is full of lessons. This train is teaching me more than I expected." The train moved again. It crossed a bridge. Water shined under the sun. Boats floated slowly. The view was beautiful. Olivia pressed her face near the window. She whispered, "It's like magic." Mason laughed. "You see, when you step into new things, you find magic everywhere." Was it agree? Was for it be? May think. The old man leaned forward again. He said, "Young lady, remember something. Fear will always try to stop you, but once you move, fear runs away." Olivia's eyes softened. She repeated, "Fear runs away when I move." She felt strong. The little girl with the teddy bear giggled. She showed her toy to Olivia. Olivia played with her for a while. They laughed together. Olivia thought, this is what life is, a mix of strangers, smiles, noise, and kindness. All together, it makes a journey. The train passed through a tunnel. Darkness filled the windows. Olivia felt a little scared again, but Mason whispered, "Don't worry. Every tunnel ends in light." After a few seconds, the train came out. Bright sunlight filled the coach again. Olivia smiled. She whispered, "Yes, every tunnel ends in light, just like life." She felt brave now. She felt ready for more journeys in the future. She thought, if I can do this first train ride,